Good day to you all. This is me, Nicole, the cat. We are back with Five Nights at Freddy's. I can't be bothered even trying to pronounce the name. I'll check after this video. I'll say it right, okay? I will say it perfectly right next time, hopefully. Probably not. But okay, I don't know if I've been saying it right the last couple of times. Right, let's move my phone out of the way. My desk is messy as hell. You do not want my camera to be up right now. It's like on the desk, but I've like upgraded my desk and everything. You know, I'll do a house tour in a second. Maybe after this, it depends. But yeah, we're gonna do Bonnie. Yep, Bonnie, Bon. I'll just do all these after, you know, Springtrap, Jacko Chica, Nightmare Fredbear, Withered Bonnie, Night Marionette, Pig Patch, oh yeah, Scrap Baby, Phone Guy. Yeah, sorry, I don't know what I'm doing, but let's turn this down. And let's get the story by Toy Bonnie. I'm just gonna play with my thing here. What does Toy Bonnie do again? He's in the vents, right? No? On the cameras, maybe? Oh, hey! Can I say anything, Bon? Bon? No? Okay, well I guess he doesn't say anything. Let's get the story about Chica. Unless it's good, I'm gonna put my feet up. I'm not kidding, like near my chair, probably squeaking. I hate scary things. Where's Chica? She's not stuck. Like, why they come out of? They just disappear. They come out of nowhere. Chica. Chica, I don't even think you're on the cameras. I just put Chica in, right? I'm just gonna wait and go on the phone, no? Oh, whatever we go. Yeah. What should we go on? Some, I don't know, Live Me. Oh, screen's gone black. Hello? Okay, well, next up going on, I guess. Alarm every weekday. Okay. Bedtime. Because that's how you bedtime now. Oh, here we go. Finally, Chica. Jeez, Chica. Why is my cake lodge in your forehead? Crazy shit, Claire. Do it again, see if she does anything else. Turn my headphones down again. Hope you can hear this, I don't know. If you haven't been hearing this, I'll just, put it back. I don't think you have, actually. Let me just check. I'll be back in... Oops, by accident, I may click this by accident. But yeah, I don't know. If not, I'll just repeat everything. Pikachu! But yeah, I'll just say everything that they said. Yeah, I'll just say everything that you won't get tired of dying, will you? Nice. Nice, smooth. Turn you down. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. Wait 1 sec. Friend just text me. Just like, what makes it do a video? Okay, everyone's gonna call him, alright? Hello? Hey! Speak up. Speak louder. No, I'm doing a video, for God's sake, girl. I don't know if they can hear you. I've got you next to my speaker, so... Maybe, I don't know. I'm a poster now. I'm gonna just do the ones that only pop up. I know which ones pop up. So you basically, phone guy, you're easy. I'll do Bonnie. Bonnie can join us. Yeah. Actually, they don't have Bonbon. Yeah, that's exactly what I said in my first video. I got really mad because they didn't have Bonbon. I went to go look at Bonnie. I went, oh, Bonbon. I went to go look at Bonnie. I went, oh, Bonbon. I went, wait, no, where's Bonbon? I went, there's Toy Bonnie. Bonnie. Withered Bonnie. Rockstar Bonnie, but there's no Bonbon because they don't have, what's his name? The Freddy off this location. So they don't have Bonbon with him. Add that, everyone. I think Scott Coffin before. Forgot about him, yeah? Okay, right. Okay, I'm gonna have to put you down for a second, but that's only because I have, quite a lot of people to look after. Okay, Golden Freddy just killed me. Never mind. Yeah, never mind, you could talk to me. Golden Freddy just killed me. Okay, right, here we go again. Right. I'll do this. I can do this, okay, everyone? Turn that off. What's the torch? What's torch? I don't know. I took a picture of it, but I don't have the picture with me. Right, picture. Where's the picture? No, that's not a picture. Right. Flashlight. Flashlight is 6, I think. 6? I hope. I don't know. I took a picture, but I got rid of the flashlight. 6. No. Go away. Oh my god. Richie, I got rid of it. Mute call. Can you just check on what's it called? Can you just go on Google for a second and check? For the controls. Yeah. Because what's his name? Because you know the one that pops up and scares you? Yeah, well he's been scaring me, I don't know, and I don't like him. You know the Freddy that got burnt in Five Nights at Freddy's 3? Him. Yeah. He's been scaring me. Oh, he's back again. Go away, for God's sake. You're giving me a heart attack. Oh my God, you just gave me another heart attack. I don't even know what to call it, but he's killing me. Like, literally. Click you. I need to know what flashlight is. That's the only one that I didn't take a picture of. Hello, Bonnie. How you doing? Bye. Oh, you again? Go away. Oh my God, you're just gonna give me a heart attack again. Can you just stop? Yeah, I see you. Who is it? Chica or Bonnie? Oh, it's Bonnie again. Why haven't I seen Chica yet? Golden Freddy. Okay, he's gone. No, I'm not kidding. Where's Chica? Like, Chica's not even here. Bonnie's here. Is that Chica? Oh no, it's still Bonnie again. I'm not kidding. I haven't seen Chica once. Golden Freddy. Well, I've seen Chica twice because she killed me twice. But, Golden Freddy. Click you. Okay, you're gonna jump scare me and kill me, but okay. Making progress here. We're making progress. Well, when I mean progress, I mean I'm getting killed.
I found it.
Okay, what's flashlight?
It's
Z. Thank you. You saved me. Well, no, I've already died, I think. Yes, I've died multiple times. Golden Freddy. Okay, he's gone. Oh, it's S, isn't it? Mute call, yes. Oh no, I don't know what's on those. Okay, Z. Ha! Go away. In your face. Okay, go away, yo! Okay, I've almost done it. Okay, right? No, go away. I forgot, you're Z. Yes, I did it. Haha, in your face. Just in your face. I'm gonna end this video because there's a cutscene, I believe, and... No, I can't cut the video. They won't be able to see the cutscene. Everyone go watch, like Jacksepticeye or something for the cutscene. Because you won't be able to see all of it because the video's gonna end. So yeah, guys, go watch Jacksepticeye or something. Alright. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Oh, you just watched the end of this. Yeah. To be continued. See you guys.